Hello children, now second class mathematics. Take out your textbook children. Page number 24. Page number 24, open it children. Page number 24, open it. So now second chapter, numbers from 10 to 99. So what is our chapter? Our chapter name is numbers from 10 to 99. So 13th bit. Now 13th bit. See here now. Page number 24. Open it children. Page number 24. 24 page. In previous class to what we are learning? We are wrote the 2-digit numbers. 3 numbers we are using and writing the 2-digit numbers. And tens place and ones place we are writing this separated. So here 20 and 30 between numbers only. Here writing 20 and 30 between numbers. 20 and 30 between numbers. So now 13th bit children. 13th bit. Draw circle around the numbers. DRAW, draw circle. AROUND, around. TH is the NUMBERS, numbers. WHERE, where. YOUSEC, 4. IN, TH is the ONES, ones. PLACE, place. Draw circle around the numbers where you see 4 in the ones place. So in which number to having? Which 4 in which place to having? Ones place to having means circle it. Okay. So here one example is given. Check it here. 3, 5. 3 in ones place, 5 in tens place. So the number is 53. So here 4 having? No. So this number is not. Here 7 in ones place, 8 in 4. Which place? Tens place. 7 in ones place, 8 in tens place. So this number also not. This one 4 in ones place, 9 in tens place. So this numbers to circle it. So already here circling only. Here one example is given. So now next number children. 68. 8 in ones place, 6 in tens place. So don't take this number. See here. Here having 4 number. So but here 2 in ones place, 4 in tens place. So don't here to count children. 4 in ones, 2 in tens. Don't count this side too. This side to only count it. 2 in ones place, 4 in tens place. So here which number will take? 4 in the ones place only. 4 in the ones place having means they take. Okay. So here 3 in ones, 4 in tens place. So no need. Here 9 in ones place, 7 in tens place. 79 to 9 in ones place, 7 in tens place. Here 4 is not there. So no need that number also. Here 4 in ones place, 8 in tens place. 84. So 4 in which place? Ones place. So we want this number. Circle it. 84. So 4 in ones place having means circle it. See here. 3 in ones place, 5 in tens place. What is this number children? 53. Here 59. 5 in tens place. 9 in ones place. 59. So here 4 in ones place. 5 in tens place. 4 in which place? Ones place. Circle it. Next one. Here 2 in ones place, 3 in tens place. Here 3 in ones place, 8 in tens place. 83. Here 4 in ones place, 7 in tens place. So 4 in which place? Ones place. This number is what? 74. 4 in which place, children? Ones place. So this number to circle it. Here, what is this number? 64. What is this number, children? 64. 4 in which place? Ones place. So 64. 4 in ones place, 6 in tens place. So here 81. 81. Here 58. Here 4 not there in these two numbers too. Here 4 having. What is this number? 34. 3 tens, 4 ones. 4 ones place only having. So ones place 4 having means we are keeping this circle. So next number 7 in ones place, 5 in tens place. 57. So here 4 not there. So here 40. So here 4 in which place having? Ones place or tens place? Tens place. So no need this number. So 4 in the ones place having means circle it. So 4 in ones place in these numbers too? No. 4 in tens place having. So no need this number. Okay children? So next one. 14th bit. 14th one. PLAY, play, the RAT, rats, TAIL, tail, GAM, game. So very interesting only children. Play the rat's tail game. So here having rat? Yes. See here rat. So rat having tail. So this is the rat tail game. See here. Extend the rat tails from the smallest to the biggest number given the grid. So in these numbers to smallest number to biggest number, sir, keep line only. Okay. So here which one is small number in these two numbers too? First of all tens place number only. Underline it. Tens place numbers. Underline it children. Only tens place number. See here in tens place 2. So here 2 only having. Remaining 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is there. So this is the small. So here and next to 3. So 3 in tens place. 32 having, 39 having. 2 numbers. So which one is small? Here 2, here 9. This one is small. So here 2, here 32. So next 32 after 39. 39. Next 30 numbers having? No. 40. 42 two numbers having in that 40, 45, 48. So in between these numbers two, which one is big, which one is small? 45 is small. So 45. So next one 46 or 48. 46 is not there only. 48. 24, 32, 39, 45, 48. So again 50 is number, yes, here one only having. 59. Next 60 numbers is there. But here 61, 63, 68. So which one is small? 61 is small. Again 63, 68. So just like. So next 70, 7 in tens. 70 here, 74. So which one is 78? So which one is small in these three numbers to 70? So we 74, 78. In these two numbers to which one is small? 4 or 8? 4 is small number. Next 74 after 78. Next 80, 85. Then 92, 99. This like only having rat tail. Where to where? Smallest to biggest. 24, 32, 39, 45, 48, 59, 61, 63, 68, 70, 74, 78, 80, 85, 92, 99. Like that only. Okay? Are you understand, children? Rat tail? Okay, this game nice only. Yes, you also try this, okay? You also draw the rat and take another number and check it, okay? So next one, show the way to the top of the hill. Start from the lowest to row. Reach the big number from the small one. So small one to big number only. Keep. Go upwards, sidewards, but not downwards. So upwards and sidewards only you go, but don't go downwards. Reach here down to here 99 only reach. Suppose show as many ways as you can. So here one example is given, children. 11, 20, 24, 39, 47, 54, 87, 94, 99. Like that only. So again I am saying 24, 37, 63, 69, 79, 'So here also will came, I think. Wait a moment. Again another having. See here. 21, 41, 43, 57, 63, 75, 79, 94, 99. Yes? See here. Here also one way is there. Next one here. 35 we are taking. 35, 37, 63, 69, 79, 82, 87, 94, 99, like that. So your wish only, you take small number to big number. Okay, don't down number only don't take. Okay. So here this numbers to there to go. Suppose here 20, 24, 30, 37, 46, 52, 63, 99. So okay, this like only you draw, children. So in next topic, in next class I will explaining. You only check it and write now. Okay children.